Guys, good morning. Good morning, guys. Let's make zobo. This morning I'm looking for something to sip, something to drink, and I don't want to take mineral because I think this is making noise. Let me just off it after talking. It's making noise, so let me just off. After talking, I'll put it on. So I'm looking for something to sip this early morning, and mineral is not an option because I've been trying to cut down on sugary things I take. So, and I remember that I have zobo leaf. I have everything: ginger, garlic, the sweetener. Yeah, these ones. So I remember I still have zobo here, but more zobo leaf, but this one is enough. So I remember that I have zobo leaf. I said, why not? If not, why not? If not, why not make zobo? Yeah, at least this one I can control the sugar inside it, but mineral I can't. So yeah, let's make zobo. The only problem is that after making it now, I'm looking for something to sip, but after making it now, it's going to be hot. It's still going to be hot, but I don't mind. I'll let it cool down, then I'll put it in the freezer. Then when you take chilled zobo, heaven, heaven on earth. So yeah, guys, keep glued to this channel. Keep glued. And don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Mwah. Guys, good afternoon. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're good. So I found out I didn't make an intro in the morning, so I'm here to make an intro now. But this afternoon anyway, pardon me. Guys, welcome to a new vlog. I'm sorry, my energy is kind of down. I went for a school run and I'm back, and the sun is sunny. The weather is too hot. I just took a shower now. My problem is that even water coming out from the shower is hot as well. It's very hot. As in, you be like, let you bathe cold water, but that cold water is equally hot. The weather is too hot, my guys. So yeah, I'm back, and this is this should be top 4. Yeah, and I want to make spag. That's why we are having this afternoon stroke evening. We're having spaghetti, so nothing much, just normal, just jollof spaghetti. This has to be my favorite spaghetti. Other ones, before you know it, to start being soggy. I don't like it, so I prefer this one. Guys, let's make spaghetti for my kids and I. Nothing much. I think I need something a little bit chilled. That my zobo I made in the morning. Let me hold it first, let me talk. That zobo I made in the morning, I put it in the freezer. And I think it should be a bit cold by now. Let me bring it. Yeah, right, it's chilled. It's chilled. This is what I need. Oh God. I just came back from heaven. Oh jeez. I just came back from heaven. This is so cool. This is what my body needs.
I'm done.
Let me see. Bring the sugar, let me bring it out. Yeah, you know, say hooray, hooray. We're happy. Guys, this is turmeric. It's turmeric. I like using to cook spaghetti.
Mommy, who's that too?
I'm coming.
Okay.
I like using to make spaghetti. As I'm parboiling it first time now, I'll add this turmeric so the color will change a bit. So I don't like too much tomatoes in my spaghetti, and that's why I like using turmeric because of color. This is ginger and garlic. Remember how I told you guys how to store your ginger and garlic? This is ginger and garlic. Then this pepper. A mixture of pepper and a mixture of shombo. Shombo and red pepper. That is this pepper. I don't know whether to call this vlog a day by life. Also, this will not cost me. This TV will not cost me copyright. Salt. Groundnut oil. Turmeric. And I'm doing laundry. Brian, you want to enter inside that place? Guys, are you guys seeing the color? The color of the spaghetti. Are you seeing that color? That's why I like putting turmeric, because of this color. Color of the spaghetti. Thyme, curry, I broke egg inside this. Now let's wait for it to boil. See, I want to tell you one thing. Anything we hungry you, chop am. Anything we hungry you, chop am. Even you said that your last card, chop am. The chop am finish. Na garri you see, drink garri. Wait for a while. It's like now one, so I'm telling you. You don't know what will happen tomorrow. You don't know what will happen the next minute. Because something happened this year in Enugu at Ugwuonyama. Those people that die, if they told them that they're going to die that day, do they believe? No. If you tell them that kind of thing, they will curse you on top and say, God forbid. See this life. If you wake up in the morning, just say, God, thank you. You might see someone today, the next day you're hearing another story. You hear maybe that person is gone, or that person had an accident, that person is in the hospital. See, in this life, anywhere you find yourself, just say, God, thank you. Because, voila. That's all I can say. I won't say more than that. Oluwa, thank you. So, our spaghetti is still on fire. Yeah, it will soon be done, and I'll show you guys the outcome. See, when you're cooking spag, after putting everything, just break egg and put inside. Break egg, raw egg, and put inside. Cover it, let it boil, then let her turn it. Come back and tell me thank you. How I said you eat. Said you eat. Swallow. So I put soup. In case you were hearing any noise, my phone is on top of microwave. So yeah. Good. I'll download it with this. Life no hard. Now you know.
Daddy.
Who is your daddy? Baby? 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 Oh, this boy knows his daddy.
And get an even higher package for a whole month on us. Buckle up, here we go. If you're on Texas, step up to family and build up your shows to combat. I like your style.
Extra Max, your favorite characters now follow you everywhere.
Guys, this is the weirdest place to end a video. This is the weirdest place to end a video, but I don't have a choice. I want to end this video. This is just a day in my life. Yeah, I just want to end the video here. I can't end it anywhere else apart from this kitchen, and I have to close the door. If not, they won't allow me to end this video here. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This is just a day in my life. I just said to carry you guys along throughout today, although I didn't capture some things. Some amount of time was missing. Yeah, I used it for my personal self. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this amazing video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a beautiful comment in the comment section. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video. I love you guys and wait for next Sunday. Mwah!